In this video you will learn how to tag video tutorials in Punditas AI's Product 360 module. The Product 360 module within the Punditas AI ecosystem is your ultimate hub for staying updated on the latest developments and innovations across applications like Creo, Windchill, SolidWorks, and more. In this comprehensive knowledge hub, you'll find everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Punditas AI's Product 360 module provides detailed insights into the latest enhancements, new features, capabilities, and usage tips for enterprise products across CAD, PLM, IoT, augmented reality and virtual reality. These include PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks, and more. Simply select a product from the Select Product drop-down to explore its latest features and enhancements. Let's check out the latest enhancements for PTC Creo Parametric. Product 360 is updated with every major release of an enterprise product, such as PTC Creo Parametric. Punditas AI's Product 360 includes enhancement data for both past releases and the latest ones. Simply select the desired release from the Select Release drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11. Each major release includes its own date codes, all neatly organized in Product 360. Select your desired date code relevant to the release from the Select Date Code drop-down. Let's choose PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. Ready to explore latest enhancements related to PTC Creo 11 Major Release and revolutionize your workflow? Click on the Go button. Experience the power of Punditas AI's Detailed View feature, offering in-depth information on each product enhancement for products like PTC Creo, Windchill, etc. Gain insights through concise topic summaries, module categorizations, detailed descriptions, related notes and more, empowering you to make informed decisions. Click on the Detailed View button to explore all 152 enhancements available for PTC Creo Parametric 11 Major Release. The Product 360 Detailed View in Punditas AI features 5 interconnected tabs, with the Enhancements tab at its core. This tab highlights key upgrades, optimizations, and new functionalities within a product. Serving as the foundation, it connects seamlessly with other tabs to provide a comprehensive understanding of the product's features and improvements. To view detailed information about an enhancement, click on the entire row or the green plus button to expand its details. Punditas AI provides a concise summary for each enhancement, highlighting key points and changes. For example, in PTC Creo Parametric, the Multi-Body Support in Shrinkwrap feature topic summary offers a quick overview of the main updates and improvements, making it easy to understand the enhancement. Punditas AI offers an extensive collection of videos sourced from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, PTC Learning Connector and more. After carefully verifying these videos and courses, the platform uses its powerful Product 360 to present the most relevant results through the Videos tab, tailored to the enhancement topics you've selected. This ensures users access valuable and highly relevant content related to their product enhancements. Punditas AI's Videos tab includes a tags field where both system-generated and user-created tags help categorize tutorials. System tags are in blue, while user-added tags are in green, improving searchability and navigation. Punditas AI allows users to tag and label important data, such as help articles and videos in Product 360, making it easier to categorize, organize, and retrieve resources efficiently. To tag a specific video tutorial, click the Tag This button. Insert the tag name and click the Add Tag button or press the Enter key on your keyboard. The video tutorial is now tagged and will appear in green, as shown here. Punditas AI's Tag Cloud displays all tags related to a video tutorial, showing both creator and user-added tags along with their counts, helping users easily identify popular and relevant tags for more efficient content navigation. Click on the Tag Cloud and explore. Here, 8 tags are available in the Tag Cloud with their counts. For example, the tag Multi-Body Design has been created only once. You can easily find this video tutorial by searching for this tag in the Insights engine, or by visiting the Knowledge Tags module in Punditas AI. Tags can also be used to create learning paths, which we will discuss in another video. With Punditas AI, easily assign tags to your critical resources like videos, help articles, workarounds, and more. Organize and access your information efficiently for smoother workflows and enhanced productivity. Simplify knowledge management and retrieval with a few simple steps. Learn how tagging video tutorials in the Product 360 module enhances organization and access. Tags speed up content retrieval, making workflows more efficient. Easily update and manage resources, ensuring information stays relevant. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.